Hey guys, what is up? Kayla Jukic here. If you're new, hello. If you're not, welcome back. It is Friday today, and honestly, thank God I had a week. Let's just leave it there. I have not had a chance to pick up my camera. I've literally not had a chance to even breathe. I've been so busy, so many things on the go right now and just going on in life. So I'm happy to kind of just like tone it down this week, vlog for you guys, and just take you along my weekend. Last night I went and got my nails done, and I friggin' love this color. It might be my new favorite. It is called Walnut Brown. It basically looks like black. And if you know, you know, black is like my nail color. That is like my staple with my friends. Like they know me as like the black nail polish girl. And I was like, okay, I probably shouldn't get black because like it's spring now, but it's still kind of gloomy and a little bit cold out. So I was like, you know what, we're gonna try a brown, and I've never done a dark brown like this before. And I honestly just love it. It looks so good with my skin and my ring. Like I'm here for it. Haven't shown you guys Mr. Kobe in a while, but little baby is a little bit sick right now. That's why I had a little bit of a crazy week, but he is feeling a lot better, right, Bubba? Yes. But he is very sleepy. Oh, you want the belly rubs. You want the belly rubs. Good boy. So basically, a few days ago, he started like throwing up yellow bile, and he kind of wasn't really eating. He was being very picky. So I figured he was kind of throwing up this like yellow bile because he wasn't really eating and he was hungry. And then later that day, he would eat, and then the next morning he wouldn't eat, and then he would eat. It was so weird. And then 2 days ago, I took him for a walk as per normal, and he pooped a little bit of blood. Honestly, might be too much information, but that is just what my week has been. So seeing blood was a little bit scary, obviously, so I took him to the vet. The vet thinks basically that he just ate something he probably shouldn't have, maybe on a walk or something like that. So right now he's on 2 different antibiotics. He has a digestive food that he needs to eat, as well as he's taking a probiotic. So there's a lot going on with him right now. I'm gonna just get ready a tiny bit. It's like 11 a.m. right now, and I'm actually meeting my friend Julia at Pure Muscle. She's gonna come today. She lives like half an hour away. She's in Guelph, and she likes coming to my gym, Pure Muscle, sometimes. And I haven't seen her in a while. We haven't worked out together in a while, and I think we're gonna like film some content together. So I just want to put a tiny bit of makeup on. Honestly, really all I'm gonna put on is a little bit of foundation and maybe some like bottom mascara. I don't need a lot whatsoever, but I am just so stinking pale. I'm so sad because I get so tanned when I go away on vacation, but as soon as I come home and it's like not hot here, my tan just does not stick. So we decided we are going to be hitting legs today. I'm pretty excited. My hair is so long and so annoying right now. I am going to get a haircut finally in like 2 weeks, but I had to literally book like a month in advance. My hairdresser is so busy, which I totally understand because she's literally the best, but I'm just kind of at that point where I just feel like I want to chop all my hair off because it is just literally driving me crazy. Speaking about my hair, the other day, you will never believe it, but I found my first gray hair. I was so sad. I literally took a picture of it and I showed my husband, and I was like, what is this? Shit like that literally stresses me out because I'm like, what is happening? What is going on? Right, guys, so I am at the gym with Julz. We are gonna hit legs like I told you guys. What are you wearing? Oh, let me go this way. Let me go this way. Lulu, yay. I'm wearing Muscle Nation, duh. Love this color, evergreen. Let's go, let's go. 1,000 words ain't enough to define the body of, yeah. Got a look and she wants it back. She's firing up that body up, yeah. You think that I want you, but nah, babe. You're 1 in a million, but it's not for me. I'm not into girls with a plastic trace. Don't take it too personally, yeah. My fault, my bad. The words out, but you aren't ready. So it's a little bit later now. It's actually 7 p.m. The hubby and I just got to Silver City. We are going to the movies at 7:10. We already bought our tickets. We're gonna go see Champions, which is like a basketball movie. This is how we're spending our Friday night. I literally have, even ask Alan, I literally have like almost 50,000 scene points. So we go to the movies free all the time. We don't pay for popcorn. We don't pay for anything. It's actually nuts. So let's go. guys, happy Saturday. Honestly, starting late today, I did not get a good night's sleep. The husband has been snoring a lot lately, so... And also, I don't really have an appetite. I don't know what's going on. I think maybe because I just didn't sleep very well. So I am just having an egg sandwich, very basic this morning. I'm probably gonna get some fruit as well. And then I have my water, but I'm just feeling so tired today and the weather is so shit. It's literally just pissing rain. I went to go walk Kobe this morning and like, look at that. And this is what I look like. My hair's in a mess, just wearing a sweater, track pants, and my slippers. I honestly feel like my mood matches outside right now. And this guy is grumpy. He keeps barking. What is your issue? Oh my, what a freaking day, guys. Our power went out, so I decided I'm gonna show you my FabFitFun box. I got it yesterday or 2 days ago, I can't remember. So I figured this is a good time because nothing is working in my house. So we're gonna unbox it quickly. So first item I got is from NCLA Beauty and it is an overnight lip mask. I love the color. It's like lavender. It's actually so pretty and so perfect for spring, obviously. And the flavor is birthday cake and it actually smells like it, which is crazy. Stuff like this comes in really handy this time of year because I get so dry when the weather's changing, so I'm definitely gonna have to use that because like my lips are kind of starting to crack. The next item I got is this Generation Skin Quick Fix and Chill 2-in-1 mask and scrub. So it has a lot of good ingredients. It has peppermint oil, it has jojoba beads, camellia flower, and basically you're just supposed to put it on and it's gonna give you like that balanced skin look, like just fix those impurities and just get rid of dead skin, which again, this time of year, this is something that I need. The next item I got, I think actually now that I'm seeing it, it was one of my customizations. If I could get it open. It's honestly such a weird shape, but it's an ice roller, so I'm gonna kind of have to figure out how to use it. I don't know. Oh, it's the bottom. Wow. I was literally going like this, but I think that's the handle. The bottom is like where the steel is. Oh yeah, it's cold. It's really small, so this would actually be really good for like traveling if you want to bring something along with you. This is the biggest box. It is a set of 2 glasses. This must be a customization. These are very aesthetic looking glasses. These are the ones that you always see on like TikTok. And they are clear, but they have a tint of teal, which is kind of cool. Second last item I got is this Summer Days Gel Cream Moisturizer. Honestly, I love getting these types of products in my FabFitFun because I use them all the time. Last but not least, I feel like this box was like a lot of small things, but this is the overnight hydration treatment. Is it for hair? I don't know. Oh yeah, so it's a leave-in treatment, deeply hydrates damp or dry strands overnight. But my hairdresser is so busy, so I had to book an appointment way in advance, and it's quite far away. So my hair right now, it needs something like this because the ends are just kind of dead. And that is everything from this box. I definitely feel like this box was a lot smaller than past or previous boxes that I've got. I'm gonna go put all of this away and hopefully our power comes back on soon. It is a little bit later now and the sun finally came out, but it is so windy outside. I don't know if you guys can hear it. The balcony is going crazy. All of our furniture is going everywhere. This afternoon has been so weird. Our power just went out for the second time today. The hubby has asked me to make this like banana bar, like chocolate chip thing that I love to make, but I have not made it in a few weeks. I'm gonna show you guys how to make it, what the recipe is. I just found it off of Pinterest and it's so good. It would be literally perfect for like a breakfast bar or just honestly a snack. So I'm just gonna preheat the oven to 350. I just have the recipe up here. So I forgot to take the butter out a little bit earlier. It does need to be softened, so I'm just gonna put it in the microwave for like literally 5 seconds, 10 seconds, but you need 6 tablespoons, which works out to be like 46 grams. So I just scaled it out and it's in here. So butter is going in the bowl. Then we need 1/3 cup of granulated sugar in the bowl. We also need 1/3 cup of brown sugar in the bowl. We also need 1/3 cup of Greek yogurt, and I'm literally at the very end of this tub. I'm just gonna have just enough. I honestly love Greek yogurt so much. So good. We need 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Honestly, I just eyeball this. And then we need 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And then I just have my hand mixer. We're gonna mix that together. Once that looks good and it's no longer chunky, we're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Again, I just kind of eyeball this. 1 large egg. Why would it crack? There we go, that was so weird. And then we're gonna add 3 mashed bananas. Honestly, the more ripe the bananas, the better. I don't know if you guys know this, but the more ripe it is, the more banana taste you get and the sweeter it is. So like brown bananas are actually really good for baking. You want to make sure you mash the bananas really well because you don't really want it chunky. And add that to the mixture. And then we're gonna blend all of that until well combined. Then we need our all-purpose flour. Honestly, I've been going through so much of this because I've been baking so much recently. But we need 2 cups and we're gonna add that to the bowl. Oh my god, I always make such a mess when it comes to flour. It goes everywhere. I personally like also adding banana protein powder just for some protein. Yum. I'm using this one from Muscle Nation. You can use my code KD, K-A-Y-D. It saves you 10% on your order, and it's so good. This one is really good for baking. Now we're just gonna mix all of that together before we add the chocolate chips. The consistency is honestly gonna look a little bit crumbly, but it's okay. Just keep blending and keep going with it. Then we're gonna add the best part, chocolate chips. The recipe calls for 1 cup, but honestly, I kind of eyeball it and just go with what I feel. I just used the Great Value chocolate chips. They're the cheapest and they taste so good. Milk chocolate also, I should add. I don't like dark chocolate. Not a fan. Now I use this big pan. I got this from IKEA, I believe. So I'm basically just going to spray the whole thing so nothing sticks. And then I'm just gonna add the batter in. Again, it is a little bit sticky, so it's okay, just go with it. If you want, you totally could add more chocolate chips to the top, but mine's pretty full and this is what it looks like. So we're gonna put it in the oven. Usually it takes about like 25 minutes, but anywhere between like 20-30 minutes, just monitor it. This is the finished product. So I was in for like 25 minutes. It gets a little bit brown. It's so good. What I like doing is just putting a knife inside just to double check. If it comes out clean, then it's all good. I don't know why my camera won't focus, but this is what it looks like. Honestly, I wish you guys could smell it. So good. So usually I let it sit for like 15 minutes to let it cool a little bit, and then I'll cut it up into like little bars. This is what the inside looks like. It's honestly almost like a brownie texture. It's so good. We're gonna eat these and we're currently watching Love is Blind. Zach and Irina just met and it's so awkward. Oh my god. Good afternoon and happy Sunday. Today has been such a chill day. Honestly, I have just been relaxing and kind of taking it easy. So this morning, Alan and I went to Denny's for breakfast, and then we came home and we cleaned for like an hour. I had to clean this house up. It was a mess. Now I just took a shower. That's why I'm looking a little bit crazy right now, which was much needed. It is hair wash day. I shaved, so I'm feeling so good. Honestly, this weekend has been pretty chill. Usually I'm like going 100 miles a minute editing, doing a whole bunch of things. So this weekend has been nice to kind of just like relax and just take that time because I never do that. Right now I'm actually in the middle of editing this video, all of the footage that I have so far, and I'm currently watching basketball. So right now it's the Lakers and the Bulls. So since I washed my hair, I'm actually gonna try this hydration treatment. I opened it up in my FabFitFun box yesterday. You guys already saw that. You're supposed to put it on damp hair and then go to bed with it, but honestly I never go to bed with wet hair. That is just not a thing for me. I like air drying my hair, and I'm not gonna put any product in, like I'm not gonna straighten it or blow dry it or anything, so I figured I might as well just put it in now. It says to distribute from mid-length to your ends. I have to say the packaging is like really good. Like this bottle is like a glass bottle, and we'll just leave it in. Like I said, I'm gonna air dry my hair like I always do. I honestly hardly ever blow dry it. Yeah, it smells really good. My bangs are so long right now. Oh my god, I need a haircut so bad.